I think the very important feature of this development is really that PAL continues to retain the business, continues to be in operating mode, and will not suspend operation. And that is a very good signal to investors because we are investing in a company that continues to operate, and it's on the mend, on the healing mode. It's able to continue using a different set of ratios that they need to comply with as agreed with the creditors, and then having a streamlined and a more robust balance sheet that with reduced debt burdens, and that allows the company to realistically operate in the new environment. I think the key here is the capital injection that is required, and then the more realistic levels of uh, debt burden that can be serviced by the new reduced scale of operation. I think that is the key to recovery, the capital injection.
What about other airlines, particularly Cebu Pacific, which is of course also listed and has seen losses, as well as of course Air Asia. It's not listed, but nevertheless, what how would this impact? Do you expect others to follow, and not just airlines, but those heavily hit? Will they start filing for Chapter 11?
Mhm. Definitely not, because the budget carriers are operating in the budget in the mass market. So this is a different kind uh, of operators. Cebu Air is a budget carrier, caters to the more robust domestic market, very cost efficient, and then very competitive pricing, and leaner, and has enjoyed a very good capitalization of late. They have raised a lot of money, 40-45 billion, very creative in terms of the funding, and they're reducing their cost, their monthly cash burn, and that's very critical to the survival of the airline industry. But you see that we are going into granular lockdown, and the travel, the ban on the entry of foreign travelers is about to happen, and this is very good timing for the mass market centered budget carriers like Cebu Pacific, Air Asia. They're on a different market segment, and I think it is not comparable with PAL, because PAL caters to the business travel, and as you see, we have Zoom meetings, and the businessmen are not really going in and out of the country, making a lot of travel. It's really focused on the long haul flight. That's why there is really a need to restructure and redefine its market, where it wants to go, the mission, and then with the newly injected capital and the agreement with the creditors, I think it's on its way to recovery. That's the good news about PAL.